Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a couple of orders that I got in. So I got my paper person kit, and I think I have like one extra stamp set. And then I got my Elle Studio kit. And then I got a couple of storage items from Scrapbookcom. They had a sale last week. And so all I did was take it out of the box. So we'll take a look at that. So let's get the little things out of the way. Let's do this Elle Studio kit. It's a monthly kit. I think I pay $10 for it. Alright. Sometimes I buy extra stamp sets because this didn't come with a stamp set, but I don't think this time I did. And then we got a bonus. That's nice. I like it. And then this is the kit. Whoops. And they committed suicide. All right. And they're all one-sided, so I'm just gonna kind of go through this fast. I like these prompts. They're really neat. Nice summer looking colors. And then this is punch out. These are not stickers. Then we got some 4x6 cards, and then some more label punch outs. This card is nice. I like that. I hope that was still recording. I had them kind of notice on my phone, so hopefully you guys saw what I just did. Okay, and then we got that. That, really nice. Really like this. Yeah, very nice. I like this kit a lot. All right, hopefully you guys saw everything I went through. Okay, I thought I'd get stickers in here, but it must just be die cuts. All right, and that is my Elle Studio kit. All right, and then we're gonna go through Paper Person Shop. We went a little stingy on the crinkle cuts, didn't we? But I always throw them away anyway, but isn't that cute? All right, let's see. I don't know why I'm always so delicate with this. I'm not going to reuse it. All right. So when I saw the previews for this one, I was very happy because I thought this one is super cute. All right. So let's look at that. Wait a minute. So this is the outside kit. Stamp set. This one did not come with the kit. I bought that extra. But I really like this. And I got gold ink. That would be neat. So I'm happy with that one. And then this is the stamp set that came with the kit. Really nice too. And I love that they go together. All right. And then we got some die cuts. Sorry about all the crinkling. I know that's probably really loud. Oh, these are cute stickers. Puffy stickers, I like them. And then we got very nice different sizes and colors. Love this. Love that. All right. And then, oh, look at that. I love what she does for her kids. All right. And And then the other side is usually library cards, so you can use them how you want if you don't like what's on the main side. So very nice. Really like that, if y'all can see that. And then I'm loving that. And she usually gives you this, if you're subscriber, she usually gives you this in PDF format, so you can print this again if you want. I really like these cards. I'm very excited with these cards. Very, very nice prompts. All right, and then we have 4x6. That's interesting. I like this card. Really like it. All right, and then we get alphas. And then she has a few 6x8 if you're doing that kind of scrapbooking. Or you could use it, you know, 6x12. You just have to add to it. 9x12. Sorry about that, guys. I always like what she does. Okay. That's interesting. And then all those hearts. Super cute. All right. And that is my kit. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side, and then we'll look at Scrapbookcom. Okay, so they had a sale on this. I don't remember how much was off and all of that. Well, I didn't think it was going to be this difficult to open. Goodness. All right. Okay. So this one is a big one, and they showed an example of you could put your paper pads in here. I think they showed an example of like some scrap paper, but they also showed an example of using those big 6x8 stamp sets, and so that's what I'm gonna use it for. They got tab dividers in here. Okay. But in order to use the 6x8, if I can open this, you have to lay them on your side, on their side. This is stiff. Okay. And then you put the tabs in how you want to, or not. All right. And that's that. And you put your 6x8s in there. You can put them on the side. All right. Okay. And then this was a free pack once you bought. I think you bought anything, and you get this. So it's probably nothing I would have bought on my own. It's okay. All right, and then I have this, and I really like it. Even though it's just cardboard, I like it. And so, how about another one? I have like my travel stamps and stuff in it. And so, like if you're doing a project that's themed, you can put all your stuff that you're going to use in here. So that's that. And then let's see, what else did I get? Tell you what, they packed this well, didn't they? Okay. All right. Okay, so this is just, it's smaller than I imagined. But this is just a bin with a cover. With a lid, I mean. No, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put in it. Let's see. Storage bin with lid.
Thank you very much.
And then I have, oh, so I got two of the, I thought I did. I got two of those storage. The tower storage things. Oh, no, this was different. Okay, so they showed this one. You could put anything in it, but they showed this one as for your markers. And they have these little inserts that you can put in there or not. So it can make it taller. So, you know, if you have things that are short, you can put them in there. And that's what that is. Well, I would probably just leave it in there. You could put it in there. You could put it in this one. And then that way you could put your, your different pens. You could put anything in there. All right. So that's all I had to share today, guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.